Losar la Tashidelek. I'm Bay Fang, President of Radio Free Asia. On behalf of everyone at RFA, it is my pleasure to wish you all a peaceful and prosperous Losar. Last year, RFA Tibetan celebrated 27 years of courageous reporting, delivering timely news to our Tibetan audiences. Amid a global rise of authoritarianism, RFA Tibetan has played a leading role reporting on the continued suppression of Tibetans' linguistic, religious, and cultural identity. This includes recent coverage on China's efforts to replace the use of the word Tibet in official documents, the banning of teaching Tibetan language in Kharzi Tibetan Prefecture in Sichuan, and the halting of Buddhist activities and festivals, among other stories. As we look forward, I extend RFA's gratitude to you, our audience. Our success is due in no small part to your continued support. May the Year of the Wood Dragon bring you happiness, good health, and peace. Tashi Delek.